Yes, the concept in this exercise is to form 4-digit number, that is greatest and smallest. Yes, then form the greatest and smallest 4-digit numbers. Yes friends, before doing the sums, just I want to explain you that how to frame the numbers and how we can get smallest and the greatest numbers with the help of the digits. Yes, for example, these 3 digits are given to us. 2, 3 and 1. These 3 digits are given to us. Yes, and we have to make the numbers with the help of 3 digits. We have to make the numbers with the help of the 3 digits. Here, which numbers can be made? Firstly, 123. Yes, then 132. Yes, then 231. 213, then 321 and 312. These numbers can be made with the help of the digits. Yes, now from these numbers, if someone asks from us that from these numbers which is the smallest and which is the greatest. Yes, now from here we can see this is the smallest number. This is the smallest number. Yes, and from these numbers, if it is asked that which is the greatest number, which is the greatest number. Yes, so here we can see this is the greatest number. This is the greatest number. Yes, now this smallest and greatest. Yes, others we will ignore because we have to find out only smallest and greatest. Yes, now see the digits in these smallest and greatest numbers. Now we will see how the digits are arranged. Here you can see in the smallest number 1, 2, 3 means these digits are arranged in increasing order. These digits are arranged in increasing order. Means to write the smallest number, we need to arrange the digits in increasing order. So, for getting the smallest number, increasing, or we can also say this ascending order. बेटा जब हम digits को increasing order में लिख देंगे, then we will get smallest number. Yes, and now observe these digits, how these are arranged. These are arranged in decreasing order. Decreasing means कम होते जा रहे हैं digits. 3 is there, then 2, then 1. These are written in decreasing order. Decreasing order means descending order. Decreasing order, or we can say descending order. Yes, तो यहाँ से बेटा हमने क्या सीखा? जब भी हमें गिवन डिजिट की हेल्प से ग्रेटेस्ट और स्मॉलेस्ट नंबर बनाने के लिए बोला जाए, एंड इफ वी हैव टू मेक ग्रेट स्मॉलेस्ट नंबर, देन वी विल अरेंज द डिजिट्स इन इंक्रीजिंग ऑर्डर. तो हमारे पास स्मॉलेस्ट नंबर आ जाएगा इन डिजिट्स का. यस, and when we arrange these digits in descending order or decreasing order, then we will get greatest number of these digits. Yes, so now in your exercise 1.4, the same things you have to do, but here we have to frame 4-digit number. We have to frame 4-digit number. First question from your book, it is that form the greatest 4-digit number using the given digits. Here form means make, बनाओ. Yes, form means make means बनाओ. क्या बनाना है हमने? The greatest 4-digit number using the given digit. जो हमें digits given है उनको यूज़ करके हमने ग्रेटेस्ट 4 डिजिट नंबर बनाना है. एंड वी हैव ऑलरेडी डन कि ग्रेटेस्ट 4 डिजिट नंबर बनाने के लिए वी मस्ट अरेंज द डिजिट्स इन decreasing order. We must arrange the digits in decreasing order. As I am going to tell you, A part of the first sum. Yes, the statement is there. Which digits are given to us? 4, 5, 2 and after that 0. These 4 digits are given to us and we have to make which number? Greatest number. We have to make greatest number. Yes, for forming greatest number, what we have to do? We have to arrange these digits in descending order, or we can say decreasing order. Yes, then how we will write this? In your book it is written in this style. Yes, and one box is given here beta, and you have to write the answer in the box. इन digits को हमने decreasing में लिखना है and we have to write that number in the box. Yes, one thing more important beta, now these are the digits. ये digits क्यों है? Because comma is there. जब सभी digits में commas है then these are the digits, but we have to make the number, then we will not put the commas. हम इन commas को नहीं लिखेंगे because we are going to write the number. Yes, अगर हम नंबर में भी हर एक डिजिट के बाद कॉमा लगा देंगे तो वो डिजिट्स ही रह जाएंगे बेटा, वो नंबर नहीं बनेगा. यस, सो हियर फॉर द ग्रेटेस्ट नंबर वी हैव टू अरेंज द डिजिट्स इन डिक्रीजिंग ऑर्डर. सो डिक्रीजिंग ऑर्डर में सबसे पहले सबसे बड़ा डिजिट दैट इज 5, आफ्टर दैट 4, देन 2, देन 0. सो द नंबर वी गॉट दैट इज 5420. The number that we got, that is 5420. Yes, now I am going to tell you one more part, that is E part. Yes, E part statement is there. 5, 0, 3 and 1, and we have to write greatest number of these 4 digits. So we will arrange the digits in decreasing order. So we will write firstly 5, then 3, then 1, then 0. So we got 5310. Yes, now I am going to tell you one more part, that is F part. In F part the statement is there, the digits 9, 7, yes, 2 and 6, and we have to arrange these in decreasing order. Firstly we will write 9, then 7, then 6, then 2. So we got 9762. Yes, now the other left parts as C part and D part, yes, and B also, these you have to do by yourself. Now let's move to sum number 2. In sum number 2 we have to form, that is smallest number. We have to form smallest number. Yes, for framing the smallest number we have to arrange the digits in increasing order. We have to arrange the digits in increasing order, or increasing we can say also ascending order. Yes, now we are going to do, you can see it carefully, A part, second sum, A part. Yes, what are the digits given here? These are 9, 1, 3 and 7. These 4 digits are given and we have to make number that is smallest with the help of these 4 digits. Yes, now we will arrange these digits in which order? Increasing order. So 1, 3, 7, 9. Yes, so this is 1379. Yes, now I am going to tell you B part. Do the B part very much carefully. There is a one new point in this sum. Yes, the digits are 0, 1, 5 and 3. Now we have to arrange these in which order? Increasing order. Yes, for increasing order, firstly we will write 0, then 1, then 3, then 5. We will write like this in the increasing order, but this is wrong. This is wrong. Why? Because a new thing is there. Yes, it is starting with 0. This is starting with 0. And beta, this is the rule of the maths that no number start with 0. Maths में कोई भी number 0 से शुरू नहीं होता. Yes. So here how we can write this number starting with 0? Yes. और वैसे भी 0 no value, then it will be only 3-digit number. But we have to make 4-digit number. Yes. So that is why this number is wrong. But we have to make it correct. इसको अब ठीक कैसे करें? Yes. How? 0 or 1. 0 or 1, we will interchange their place. 0 and 1, we will interchange their place. 1 की जगह 0 और 0 की जगह 1. And 3, 5 in the same way it will be written. When we will write this in correct way, it will be 1, 0, 3, 5. 1035. Yes. So when there is the 0, then at the time you must be careful that in maths no number is starting with 0. Yes. And how we have to make it correct? We will interchange the place of these 2 digits only. We will interchange the place of these 2 digits only. Rest of the digits will be written in the same place. So we will get 1035. Yes. Now I am going to tell you E part. Yes. How many digits, which digits are given in that E part? That is 6, 7, 2 and 4. We have to make the number and we have to write this in increasing order to make the smallest number. Yes. So first we will write 2, then 4, then 6, then 7. So here we got 2467. This is the 4 digits, these digits smallest number. Yes. Now hope every one of you have understood this concept. Yes. Now after watching the video, do the sums of exercise 1.4 on your book with pencil. Hoping for your best. Thanks and have a beautiful day ahead. God bless you all.